Okay, so we only measure in Z basis, right? If
Yeah.
this is why is it not going into this thing? Yeah. So let's see. Let's imagine if this is your block sphere, then this is your zero.
Yeah.
This is your one, right?
Yeah.
So we only in quantum computer we can only measure these two things. If it's
Okay.
zero or one, we can only
Okay.
measure Z basis. So
Okay.
what we do is we manipulate our this plot sphere in a way that this is, let's say, x. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, uh, Sorry, it's not x. It's, let's say, plus, and this is your minus.
Okay.
So we manipulate our block sphere so that we can measure it in this line, like
Okay.
this line.
So let me just clarify one thing first.
Yeah,
So if the state is in plus or minus and
yeah,
you put an X gate, it will be the same, right? It won't get rotated.
yeah. It won't get anything.
Yeah.
It won't.
Okay.
It won't change. So
Yeah.
what
But if you
acts?
do it with the
Yeah, yeah,
Z gate, it will get rotated.
yeah, yeah. I will explain that also. So
Okay.
let's imagine that you have a wire that this means you have a observer, like something, anything like circuit observer or anything
Okay.
that does only measure these two things.
Okay.
Okay. So if we want to measure in this basis and this basis, what we can do is just rotate this whole thing by pi, that pi by 2, right? We can
Yeah.
rotate this whole block sphere by pi by 2,
Okay.
right? So then what the sphere will look like? It will look like something this. Uh, will look something like. Sorry, wait. Hmm, set. Now this circle will be like this.
Yeah.
This will be your plus, and this will be your minus, right?
Okay.
And this was your one. This was your zero. Oh, wait. Yeah, yeah. So now if you measure if it's now what will our circuit do is check if it's in this state, upper state or down state, right?
Okay.
So you will get this plus state or minus state. So now it's measuring in plus basis or minus basis.
Okay.
For the Z thing, what does the Z thing look like? It's something here, psi y plus, and here psi y minus. Imagine
Okay.
psi y plus and psi y minus as your this basis for y. Okay.
Okay.
So what we did here is this is your x-axis, positive x,
Yeah.
right? Wait, positive x-axis, x-axis. So you said that if we apply our plus x, the x gate at this state, it won't change. So what
Yeah.
does the x gate do is rotate the Bloch sphere along this axis by 180-degree. So if you have a vector in this which aligns with this line, this
Okay.
x-axis line, it won't rotate. It will be the same, right? So
Okay.
x on plus remains plus, x on minus remains minus. But if you have a vector like this in this state here, and you
Okay.
apply x, it will rotate by 180-degree pi, and now it will go something like this. So if we apply x on 0, it becomes 1. We rotate it by 180-degree. So what we did here is the same. We rotate it by pi by 2. So wha- takes like it takes h to do that. Wait, let me choose something
Okay.
else. It takes. You can do the same with rx pi by 2 as well. Sorry, ry pi by 2 as well. It will do the same thing.
But
This is your y-axis, right? This is
yeah.
coming out, the thing coming
Yeah.
out. So if the things whole thing rotate by pi by 2, the same thing, this thing, it will go
Yeah.
something like that on, and your z axis will always be here. It's coming out. This is your y axis. So you can do the same thing by this one also.
Okay.
Ry pi by 2 anti-clockwise. Wait. The anti-clockwise is positive, right? So it
Positive.
will be minus.
Minus.
It will
Okay.
be minus pi by 2. So for going from that z basis to y basis, what we have to do is, let's say this is our block sphere. Uh, I'm using my mouse, so ignore the bad
Yeah.
handwriting.
That's fine. That's fine.
What we choose earlier, you choose yellow to be our plus. This is our 0. This is our 1. And uh, this was our y, psi y plus. This was our psi y minus. And this is how we measure, right? So what we can do now, from
Just
for yi to go to this state, what we have to do?
rotate about X. Rotate about
Rotate
X.
about
Right.
x, and what will be the angle of rotation? Like if we rotate it like this, it will be anti-clockwise, right?
Yeah. Okay. Positive
Yeah.
if the left.
So,
Yeah. Left.
so it
Okay.
will be positive. So if we do that, how will our block sphere look? Hmm, I can't even make a circle. Okay, so why whatever. So
Yeah.
this thing will go something like here. It's 0, 1. You will have your psi y plus here and your psi y minus here, right?
Okay.
And now when you measure, you will measure in that y basis.
Okay.
So how to go from here to here? We use, what we do is rotation about this axis with a anti-clockwise. That's your positive rotation by pi by 2. So you can go
Okay.
from here to here in pi by 2, and if you want to come here from here to here, you will have to go anti clockwise, right? So it will be minus pi by 2.
Yeah.
Same thing goes from
Okay.
for this thing also. From here to here,
Yeah. Yeah.
you
Understood.
let me write it out. Okay. Ry, what was it? Minus pi by 2.
Nice. All right.
From here to here, it's Ry pi by 2. This is how we do our that transformation thing. You can do the same thing for h also. For from here to here h, then from here to here y. You can go from for this thing. You can go from this. If you do one thing, like if you rotate about this x, this z, you can go from y this thing to here x axis, and from there you can
Okay.
apply h thing, the h. So
Okay.
you will be
Yeah.
something
Yeah.
like this, then this. Means you can go it
Okay.
in any manner, right? So there are
Yeah. Yeah.
infinite number of ways to go from one point to another point in a sphere.
Yeah.
So choose anyone. Okay. Like
Okay.
how we do our basis transformation.
Okay. Okay. Understood. Thanks.